views on my video. So if you guys would do me a favor and like, subscribe, and hey, in fact, if you don't like my videos, you know, man, leave a comment down there and let me know what it is that you don't like, or what you love, or what you'd like to see more of. Um, so what we're doing here, for those of you who are not familiar with Coin Market Cap, this is Coin Market Cap. I will leave a link in the description, but I mean, come on. By the time you type in Coin M, it'll be up there. So just looking over, some of my favorite coins and things I have money invested in. Um, it's a lot of FUD in the market right now. Everybody, including the taxi cab driver. I was in the Uber, and my Uber driver was telling me about his investments in Bitcoin. So just really, like, our market got extremely saturated around the end of the year last year, and a lot of the newcomers to cryptocurrency and just trading in general um, are not used to volatility. So if you as a layperson, or if I as a layperson went and purchased, $6,000 worth of, for example, Ripple, that was trading around $3 there for a while. You would really feel the sting of it, and for some people that would totally put them off of cryptocurrency, or trading cryptocurrencies, or even holding them for a long term investment. Yeah, I mean, of course, if your three to $5,000 turns into 1,200-1,400 bucks or something, that's going to turn you off. Okay, um, it's going to turn you off every day. That turned me off. So I started investing actually in the beginning of 2017. So I have about a year of trading experience, um, and a really low battery, as you can see. Um, but with that being said, I'm used to seeing hundreds of dollars evaporate, or uh, thousands of dollars, you know, uh, come out of nowhere. So I'm familiar with that. So as long as my wins outweigh my losses, I'm okay with it. So like I understand. So this is just for you guys, so you can see my thoughts on it. So basically, a Bitcoin price of 11,300 feels okay to me right now. I mean, I don't know if you bought in Bitcoin, at the top, at the peak there, when it was teetering around 20,000. Um, Everybody and a mom was talking about it, and at the time. So with that being said, everybody was trying to buy it. So I can understand people getting sucked into that, because FOMO, um, uh, FOMO is real, guys. I mean, fear of missing out is a real thing. So if you guys caught the FOMO on that, I know the feeling. What I'm saying, to see half of your investment disappear. So as we all know, if you lose half of your investment, in order for you to get back to where you started, you have to increase your capital by 100%. So this is a daunting task for anyone. So I mean, even the best traders increase your capital by 100% is a daunting task. So, with that being said, if you're not familiar with TradingView, I would say familiarize yourself with it. It is a free resource. If you want bells and whistles, of course, you will have to pay for those bells and whistles. Um, but let's see, we're just trying to get in here and look. Let's pull up. We'll pull up Litecoin real quick. Uh, but we're gonna walk our way over to BTC here in just a second. So let's see, BTC, which is our topic. So um, there are a lot of really good YouTubers out there that I've learned uh, so much from, and I just as I go on and progress this channel, I think I'm gonna kind of do something where I highlight some of the people that were my largest influences through this process. Um, there are people that I really um, admire. I mean, for the fact that they have taken their time and put forth their effort to produce something for us, where it's a free resource. People don't have to people don't people don't have to spend their time um, giving us this information. They don't have to. So while this is loading, I just want to briefly touch on something for you, just a little piece of information for you guys. If you got a decent amount of losses with your holdings in altcoins and or even the big daddy of them all, Bitcoin. If you got some losses out there, guys, start poking around. Like, subscribe, or whatever, and hit the bell, because we're going to be getting into some ICOs and some information about initial coin offerings that I would like to share. Um, that's gonna be coming up here, and I have found some methodology that I really respect. So, with that being said, I don't want your referrals. I don't want your reinvestment. Money going to me and stuff. But what I will say is, I want for you know, my girlfriend's sick of hearing me talk about cryptocurrency, guys. Okay, so she's sick of it. She likes to spend the cryptocurrency money. I'll tell you that. But I need to get some of this crypto that's running through my veins. I got to get some of it out there. Um, you know, Find some like-minded individuals, because there's a lot to this, and if you're out here by yourself and you're being successful, then that kudos to you. I don't know how you keep all this knowledge inside of your head. It's it can be a lot. All right, so just looking at the chart here, I see a decent amount of consolidation around it. Uh, Around it, was at 1150. It may be 1150. No, it's like 11,000. So it looks like that support level is around 11,000 to 11,200. So let's see, the last chunk of Bitcoin I bought was right at 1112, because I felt like it was breaking that resistance, but then I got up to around 13,000, and I pulled back out of it, because um, it, I was looking at some of the stochastics information in my RSI, and those indications were actually had turned from being bullish to actually being quite bearish. So I had to make a decision, and in order to just cut my losses at the time. I sold out right close to that 13,000 mark, which you can see right there. That's where we're probably gonna be headed back to here shortly, if you will. Look right up in here, you'll notice that we're making higher lows. Um, we are making higher lows, so that if you look down here at the stochastics, you actually also see um, a upward trend on stochastics. Let's see, yeah, you see that upward trend right there. So yeah, um, it's looking good for Bitcoin. I may get back in here shortly. Looks like I would actually be in a position to purchase some now, um, because we did break that 11,200 again. So, and that's pretty much where we've been seeing it bounce off of for the last the last week or so. We haven't really built up enough momentum to break past these walls. If you go look at some of your sell orders, I don't know if you guys are familiar with level twos or what have you like that. If you just go look, man, there's some really large walls that are getting placed up every once in a while, and pretty much for the most part, they just been there, man. And whenever we get up to around 11,200, it's just been a huge wall blocking us off. What I mean is a large amount of sale orders at that area. So it actually looks like we're breaking through a decent amount of that resistance. I would like to look at the level twos right now and kind of explain to you what we were looking at, but we're gonna try to keep this video short this time. Look, guys, there again, like, subscribe. I don't know everything, but I do know some things, and I have been a profitable trader for over a year now. So all I can say is I'm not giving any investment advice, but I can share portions of my journey with you so that you can also do what you want to do. So I'm not saying follow me. I'm saying, here's information. Take information and use your best judgment to make the best decisions for you and your family. I have 4 children. I am a working class individual. I've made some money off of cryptocurrency, but I'm not ready to throw away my old life and jump off into the new life yet. I'm still on that on the precipice of that myself. Like I've gotten to where I can be comfortable, and that feels good. That security feels good, and I'm willing to take some risks with my capital at this point because I have some house money to play with. So if you guys are interested in some of the things that are coming up, like I said, like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you guys are interested in, and I'll be the first person to try to help you find what you're looking for. So in life, we don't find many opportunities where we can take advantage of another person's experience in life and for free and benefit from that. So do both of us a favor so that I can grow my channel. Well, look, so we can all be part of something. It's not my channel, it's our channel. So, if you guys need something, if you're looking for some information, let me know what you're looking for, and I'll get it to you. Because there's other people that want to know the same thing. So we're not gonna get into any, drawing any trend lines. I'm not gonna pull out my laptop. We're just gonna do this little interlude on the cell phone real quick, and just the most important thing to me is I see hundreds of people watching my videos, and just say something like, if you don't like it, thumbs down it or something. Do interact in some way so that I can have some feedback so that I will know what you guys want to bring. If you see my Telegram jumping, that's because there are things on there that I monitor. You know, if you guys don't know about Telegram, there's something else, you know, that we need to get into. But you know, there's all kinds of new opportunities. You know, almost on a daily. I want to say on a daily basis. You know, there's opportunity on a daily basis, and there are many free tools out here that help us um, keep up with the markets. So if you know, if you guys are looking for something that monitors you know, your RSI levels, and you get alerts when it reaches this particular level or anything like that, you know, just reach out to me in the comments. You guys have a great day.